In this video, I will show you how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. I've currently got one opened. And then if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu that pops up, come down and click onto delete browsing data. What that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, if you come up to the top, you can choose the time range that you want to delete the browsing data for, whether that's the last hour, 15 minutes, 24 hours, 7 days, or you have actually got more options here as well. Once you've done that, what you can do is choose what kind of browsing data to delete, whether you just want to delete your browsing history or you want to also delete cookies and cached images. You just need to select your options from here. If you come down and click on show more, you're going to see some further options which you can select, and once you're happy with everything, just go ahead, click delete data, and that's going to delete your browsing history. So that's how to delete your browsing history in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.